is your new lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 5 and 6, the System Unit. Let us start from the objectives. Inshallah, in the end of this lesson, students will be able to discovering the elements of the System Unit. We will discover together, inshallah. We will start from the page 12. Look here, this is the laptop, and here we have desktop. Where is the system unit? In the laptop, where is the system unit in the desktop? Of course, in the desktop, this is the system unit. We call it system unit or CPU or computer case. It has a lot of names. And this is the laptop. Where is the system unit on the laptop? Always the system unit is below the keyboard, below. Down here below the keyboard you can find the system unit. Okay, look here, what is the rule of the system unit? I explained this to you. All of these parts, we call them input devices because they help us to enter the information or the data. We have two names, information or data, the same thing. Inside the computer case and exit from the computer case. Okay, what is the information or data enter from the keyboard? Text, excellent. And what is the data enter from the microphone? Voice, excellent. And what about the mouse? Drawing. All of this data or information enter inside the computer case. And you can display the text on the screen, or you can display the drawing on the screen. Okay, and you can also print on the using the printer. That's it for this page because we studied this before. This is just like revision. Okay, today we will talk about the system unit. Exactly what inside the system unit, what is the part inside this system unit. Let me show you. We will go to other page number 30. Look here, this is the computer case. If you open it, you can find a lot of these things. What are these things? I will tell you. Here examine the inside of the system unit. Here you will check and you will see what are inside it. And in the system unit you find motherboard, this one motherboard, hard drive, this one hard drive, and also RAM, this one RAM, and processing unit, this one processing unit. Okay, we will discuss about or study about RAM and hard drive, because we will use this both on the saving. I will explain to you later. Okay, what happens inside the system unit? Inside the system unit, information is saved. All the information, text, data, film, image, video, sound, everything, you can save it inside the system unit. Let's go now to other page number 14. Look here. They say in which component of the system unit we saved our files, our documents, sounds, songs, everything. Where we save it? On the RAM or on the hard disk or the hard drive? What do you think? Okay, I will explain this to you because when you open, for example, I will open Paint program to show you where we save our documents. For example, I open now Paint program. I will draw a circle. Okay, the circle here. Even if I draw another shape, the circle don't disappear. It's here. Look. Now I have two shapes, and if I draw another one, I will have three shapes. Okay, that's mean nothing delete. All of them saved. But what will happen if I close the Paint program? If I click save, that's mean I will save it. But where? On the hard drive. If I click don't save, that's mean I cannot find my file again. Why? Because when you draw or when you use the Paint or Word or any program, you save your work inside the RAM, but this is temporarily. Okay, but if you click save and you save it, you will save it on the hard drive. Even if you close your program, you can find it again. Okay, let us try. We will try together. Okay, this is the Paint program. I will open it and I will draw a circle and I will click exit, save. I will save it as circle 1, for example, and I will save it in the desktop. Okay, let us see. Let me check. Yes, I have it in the desktop. That's mean my work here, it's not deleted. That's mean I save it on the hard drive. But when you draw without saving, this mean it's on the RAM just for temporarily. When you close the program, you will delete it or you cannot find it again. Okay, so now you know, if you click save and you save it in your computer, that's mean you put it in the hard drive. But when you draw or write a text, you save it just temporarily on the RAM. Okay, let us see here what we have. They draw and they try as we tried now. When they draw in the beginning, there is untitled. Look, that's mean it's on the RAM. But when you change and save it and you change the name, that's mean it's moved from RAM to hard drive, as I show you. That's it. Okay, let us check page 15. Before you click save, the drawing is sorted on the RAM, as I told you before you click save. That means it will be on the RAM temporarily. If you close the program, you cannot find it again. Okay, before you close the Paint program, the drawing must be saved. If you didn't save it, that means you will lost your work. Okay, when you quit the Paint program, the drawing is erased from the RAM. That means you have to save your work before you close the program. Always you have to save it. Okay, when you save it, it will be on the RAM? No, of course, it will be on the hard drive. Look here, they ask us where you save your work. If you click save, you will save your work on the hard drive. It will pass from the RAM into the hard drive. Even if you close the program, you can find it again. Okay, we have now exercise. We will solve it together. Look here. Exercise number 1. Circle the RAM once and the hard drive twice. Where is the RAM? Where is the hard drive? Of course, you know this is the RAM and this one the hard drive. 2 circle here, 1 circle here. Easy. Okay, exercise number 2. Answer by true or false. Before you save a document, focus before, okay? It exists on the hard disk. What do you think? Before you save, it will be on the hard disk or on the RAM? Of course, on the RAM. This is false. Okay. The hard disk saves information permanently. It's mean always, even if you close the program. What do you think? Yes, it's true. Okay, the RAM does not empty itself when you shut down the computer. Does not? What do you think? Does not? No, false. Yes, the RAM empty itself when you shut down the computer. We have here exercise number 3. What is the rule of the system unit? Easy. I told you before. The system unit save the information. Okay? Process and save data like drawing, documents, sounds, film, a picture, image, everything you can find it on the system unit. Okay. Exercise number 4. What are the components found in a system unit? Easy. Motherboard. What else? RAM. Excellent. What else? Hard drive. Excellent. Okay. Here we have exercise number 5. They want you to make a line or a row to show us. If you click save, the information go from the RAM to the hard drive or from the hard drive to the RAM. What do you think? Of course, from the RAM to the hard drive. Okay, what do you think if we open the document we saved it before? The data come from the hard drive to the RAM or the RAM to the hard drive? Yes, it's go to the RAM. If you change anything, you have to save it again. That was our lesson today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. See you next week and bye-bye.